Ladies and gentlemen, we're shortly going to be coming in for our final descent into London Heathrow. Can we ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened? Tray tables should be stowed and your window blinds should be open. And your seatbelt must be upright with the armrest down. And the lavatories are broken at this time. Thank you for choosing to fly with Emirates, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your time with us. Thank you, cabin crew, cabin secure. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be making our final descent into London Gatwick. London Heathrow. We hope that you enjoy the rest of your day with us. Cabin crew, please be seated ready for landing, please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow. The local time is just coming up to 10 to 6 in the evening. Can we ask you to remain in your seats, with your seatbelt securely fastened and adjusted until we come to a complete stop? I'd like to say thank you for choosing to fly with us today. If there's anything we can do for you, do not hesitate, just ask. I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Emirates today. Please, if you are catching a connected flight, can we ask you to follow flight connections? Otherwise, if not, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you and good evening. Dun.